Hi guys, today we'll introduce this new model, Philips Alpha Easy Key. So this one, there's 5 methods to unlock this particular lock. The first way is by using the pin code. So when you just press here, then you can put in the pin code. For this particular lock is 1 2 3 6 5 4. Then you press the hash, then it'll be auto unlock. Then there's a sound system also to tell you that it's unlocked. So this is first way to unlock, and you can see here is this is the mortise C grade mortise type. So it's more secured than the ordinary lock. And the second way to unlock is using the fingerprint. So this one is for the fingerprint. Now it's already locked. There's auto lock feature. So when you just close the door, there's auto lock. So you just put your finger, then it'll be already unlocked. Then you can open the door. This second way. The third way to unlock is using the key card. So you get these two of this key card. It's pretty small. So you just put it here. Then it's unlocked. This is the third way. The fourth way, you actually can use the apps. So in this particular apps, Philips Easy Key, you just open it, and you can pair to multiple different locks. You can see the battery percentage here, but make sure you on the Bluetooth. Then you key in here. Now it's already locked, so you just press one button, immediately it'll be auto unlock. So now it's already open. Yeah. So other features for this particular lock, this one is a full mortise lock. There's something called a door verification mode. This one you can actually have two different types to unlock. Means you can set to have the pin code plus the fingerprint to unlock, or you can use pin code plus the key card. So this one is for double security reason. It's called door verification mode. Automatically unlocking is you can actually at the back here. This is the back. So you just to unlock, you just press it. Then it will be unlocked already. So now it's already unlocked. Yeah. Then you close it back. Then it's auto lock. So here you can see there's actually eight batteries. Is the AA battery. Yeah. You actually can just put in 4 batteries. It can actually last you for about 9 months. 9 months to a year time. Maximum up to 8 batteries, but 4 is also good enough. This one is for in case there's a children that press this one, so you can just push it this side, red already. So now you cannot press. So this one is for safety reason. Now you just push it back to green, then it's back to normal. This one is you can actually lock it by pressing this button to lock it. Yeah, and when you hold it longer, then it become there's something called as a privacy lockup mode. So then you cannot key the pin code from the front. You just have to hold it. Then there's a sound. Yeah. So to unlock it, just press it. Then you deactivate the system. So there's other features we can see from here. There's also no speaker. Some people scared don't want to let the neighbor know that you come back. You can just hold there's this button here. So now it's called silent mode. So now you cannot. There's no sound when you press the thing. It's just for to prevent. Now it's voice mode. Yeah. Then other feature that we have, voice guide. So you can actually set everything here using the hash button. So you can press this one. Then after that you can set everything using the pin code. For like you want to add on the extra pin code and extra fingerprint. So maximum you can add up to 100 fingerprints, 100 pin codes, and 10 user pin code at the same time. This material is called zinc alloy. It's a good quality one. Then there's also anti breaking alarm. Means that when there's a forced entry, there'll be a very loud alarm to alert your neighbors. There's also this C-class lock cylinder is the type of the mortise that we have, which is like this. It's a C grade. So yeah. So using the apps, there's also this particular feature that you can check the activity log, that what time you have used the Bluetooth unlock. It's all inside the apps. You can see it here. So this particular log come with installation. Now we got a promotion of 1,1999. So inclusive of installation, with total of 3 years warranty. 3 years warranty. So 3 years warranty for manufacturing defects. So any issue, there's be a one-to-one replacement. So yeah. So this model is called Philips Alpha Easy Key. Push and pull system. Currently, this is the cheapest model in the market for push and pull system. So comparing to other brand like Samsung, currently this is the best price, less than 2,000 ringgit bracket. So so if you want, if you are keen, you can actually PM us, or just put PM at the comment below, and we will come back to you soonest. We will send you the video of the demo, as well as some of the features, the brochures. Thank you very much for watching. This is a short video today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.